Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're eager to better understand how visitors interact with your Wix website, where they come from, what they click, and which pages they love, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track detailed visitor analytics on your Wix site, so you can make smarter decisions and watch your website thrive. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure your Wix site is already published and live. This is crucial because analytics won't work on unpublished sites. Think of it like trying to listen for footsteps in a house nobody's entered yet. Once your site is out there, you're ready to start gathering useful data. Now, head over to your Wix dashboard and select the specific site you want to track. I always recommend double-checking that you're in the right spot, especially if you manage more than one site. As soon as you're in the site's dashboard, you'll see a home section with a snapshot of analytics. This is where Wix immediately gives you a bird's-eye view of your site's performance, showing you things like total site sessions, total sales, total orders, and the number of unique visitors. These numbers help you quickly gauge if your site is getting the attention you want and if your visitors are turning into customers. Right above these metrics, you've got a handy filter for the time period. You can toggle between the past 30 days, the last 7 days, month, or week. This is great for seeing trends over time. For example, if you launched a new product or ran a promo last week, swapping the dates can reveal its impact on traffic. Don't worry if you don't see a dramatic spike every single week. Sometimes, slow and steady growth is a good sign. If you want to dig deeper, click View Your Site Analytics. This will open up a more comprehensive dashboard, giving you an in-depth analysis of your traffic. Here, when real-time visitors are browsing, you'll actually see their activity populate on the charts. It's a bit like watching people walk through the aisles of your store. You can see which areas are busy and which are quiet. Some of the key stats you'll notice include site sessions over time, which shows when your site gets the most and least traffic. You'll see dates like Aug 27, Sep 2, Sep 8, and so on. This makes it super easy to spot peaks and dips. For instance, if traffic jumps on weekends, you might consider timing promotions or updates for those days. Next, check out your top traffic sources. If you click into the traffic overview section, you'll get a breakdown of where people are coming from. Maybe it's Google, Facebook via ads, or direct visits from people typing in your URL. This is incredibly useful for understanding where to focus your marketing efforts. If you notice most of your traffic is from Google, maybe SEO is working well. If Facebook is lagging, that's a chance to tweak your ad campaigns. Now let's explore how visitors actually engage with your site. Go to the Behavior Overview section. Here, you'll be able to see which pages are most visited, track button clicks, and review key stats like average pages per session, session duration, and bounce rate. Even if you see blank stats right now, don't worry. As more people browse, this information will start to fill in. Enabling click tracking here can be eye-opening because you'll learn which buttons or links people interact with most, helping you optimize your design for better results. Finally, for deeper marketing analysis, visit the Market Overview to see which campaigns are driving sessions and where your visitors are located. It's like having a map of your audience spread across different channels and regions, allowing you to tailor your strategy for maximum reach. And that's about it. Once you get comfortable checking these analytics regularly, you'll be empowered to make data-driven decisions that help your Wix website grow. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop any questions you have down in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!